Uh-oh, BoobTube. What's up and what's Gucci in your coochie? The World Wide Web, as you guys can see, man, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu. And we're starting off December right with the 25 days of Thriftmas. That is right. I'm gonna be thrifting and doing thrift-related shit for 25 days up until Christmas. And we got the motherfucker boy, Jacob Starr.
Here, baby, we have flown all the way to Houston just to kick off the 25 days of Thriftmas, right? That's the only reason I'm here, baby.
So this boy's repping the city, got the Astroworld shirt on, it's titty. So we're gonna jump in and see what we can find. Yo, why you had to walk in like this, dude? He's like my lucky charm. Look at all these gems just lined up. So you got the little US Navy, but ain't the Air Force. Shout out our veteran Jacob Starr right here, man, America.
Serve my country.
You also have, this is probably the coolest thing, this giant Nike check on deck. This is the first store of the day. The only thing I'm a little concerned with, oh dude, they're charging $50 for this.
Tripping.
They are smoking cocks. They got $34 on this St. Louis Blues. They're high as hell. $8 on the Yankees, okay, reasonable. They have this Wilson windbreaker. This thing is, hold on, let's see. $6, reasonable. $6 for the Aquaberry, reasonable. And $6 for this windbreaker, reasonable. But they absolutely tripping and smoking a bunch of dick on this Nike. What the hell?
I just want you guys to know.
That's unheard of.
I just want you guys to know. The employee literally was right behind Paul the entire time.
Yeah, they are smoking dick on the prices. You gotta let it be known, man. Jesus. Bro, that shit hard. I'm copping that Navajo. Woo!
59.
Oh, $9.59.
So the problem is the little cum stain right there.
Oh, dude, that ain't a problem, man. It actually adds value to it depending on whose cum it is. Oh my God.
Oh, I love it.
Bro.
Oh,
look at that.
So beautiful.
Summit Series Gore-Tex. Hold on.
Ooh.
30.
I'm buying it.
A $30 North Face. Of course, bro. Come on, man. So Jacob loves hiking. He loves the North Face gear. And we done found an essential right here, brothers. Hold on. Does it say North Face in the buttons?
Dude, it's
look
even,
at that.
Look at, you know what's crazy about this though? Look,
sheesh.
those of you guys that don't know, look, it's even got the liner inside of it. A lot of times when you thrift these, the people will take the liner out, especially in places like Texas, so it actually has a liner inside.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that to my state.
No, I'm just saying because it's hot out here, Cass.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? And look, look at that.
2 jackets in one.
It's a twofer. Fire.
Dude, no,
Look at the little emblem right there.
Bro, you just left the cart?
Tripping.
No, this is not fire. Well, it is fire. It got that, dude, it got that Omni Heat fire logo.
Bro. It is literally fire.
But this,
that's
whoa, they extorting out here, dude.
What's crazy is that Columbia, like, you can actually find these jackets on sale for that price.
Well, what's crazy is it's not Columbia, it's Columbia, Big B's.
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Wait, show me the extortion, bro. Show me the extortion.
There's some serious extortion going on. 39 freaking dollars.
Yeah, it's hard to read hieroglyphics at times, but oh my lord.
It's hard to read because it's just so shocking. It's just so shocking.
It's just your eyes don't want to believe it.
Tripping.
Yo, we got a couple other little things. You know, you got that Logo 7 Mizzou jacket, you dig. I found this little Detroit Tigers jacket. The only thing I'm worried about is like, yeah, $12.51. That's kind of $10 on an essential windbreaker.
Tripping.
$10 on another windbreaker.
Tripping.
Yeah, they're smoking a lot of cock out here. Hey man, no idea what this is, but I got a cock on it, so I'm gonna cop it. No, this is a dope little cut and sew long sleeve polo, so I definitely gotta grab that, dude. This thing right here is in a sick colorway too, with the stripages, bruh. All right, man. A little status update. The North Face was fraudulent as hell. I just love teasing Jacob, turning him on with the heat.
Yeah, I was so sad when I looked at the fleece. That little embroidery is like, oh my god.
Suspect, dude. Yeah, the North Face like embroidery was sus. The tag was sus. We're sus. Also, the Detroit Tigers piece had a stain. There's just like, honestly, for all the things we found, there's only a few like cop-worthy pieces.
There's a lot of cummery going on out here.
Yeah.
Drippin'!
Dude, they are absolutely out of their minds. $21.94 for this Miami Dolphins piece. This dude does not even play for them anymore. They're sucking major cock. Ooh, sheesh. Shout out my sponsor, baby. You got that vintage Puma Life Cleveland Baker Mayfield Browns piece. Okay, for sure. $5, not too shabby for daddy. Hey, watch out, dude! All right, man, Jacob almost just got ran over. We up out of there. Look at that giant sack, baby. Yeah. Honestly, for the amount of pieces I got, this definitely is, I feel like, a size exaggeration. But it's all good.
It does look a lot bigger than
it looks like we found a lot more loot than we did. But anyways, we're gonna hit a couple more, maybe one more, maybe two more. Let's see where the day takes us. All right, boys and girls, we've arrived at the next store right now, and dude, I got that VIP parking on deck, boy. Yeah, I'm not whipping the Chariot today. I definitely should be, but it is stocked for SneakerCon right now. So we're about to go in here, and hopefully they also have that drip for way lower prices. Fuck. All right, man, so Jacoby found a couple little finds, but you guys already know what my main find is right here. The homie showed up and showed love. Yeah, he was saying he found a Tommy jacket in here, so hopefully like this store is as prosperous for us today as well. But yeah, man, I appreciate the support, bro. You already know. Should know that. Yo, this jacket is actually heat, bro. They got that Dale Earnhardt Senior, baby, good wrench jacket, and it's only $6 American made. It's about time I caught these fools slipping on a price. I mean, it is kind of dirty on the sleeve, but like, it ain't dirty enough, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, so that's definitely an acquisition right there, boy. All right, class, man. Jacob is like the king of this like hiking outerwear.
Dude, I'd be fine.
He found this sick little Aquaberry Columbia, you know what I'm saying? They're charging $25 trippy. Yikes, it does have...
Educate the people, this is a three-fer.
Yeah, it does have 3 for 1, so it does have a reversible interior jacket. It has the exterior, so total, that's a total of 3 different looks.
Purple, Aquaberry, or Aquaberry and purple.
I found my favorite slept-on brand. You know what I'm saying? The vertical stripages. It looks terrible unbuttoned. Wow. This Knights of the Round Table polo shirt is $3. I'm a cop. Yeah, they ain't slacking, bro. Knights of the Round Table does not slack. The buttons have the branding all up on them. Okay, see, there you go. Look at that. Here, hold that up, man. Hold that up. Oh. Look how clean that is, man. You guys going to PacSun to find the stripes, man. We got them in the thrift for $3. You dig what I'm saying? This that authentic, no gimmick, soft, long sleeve polo in his hoe.
Delicious.
I also unfortunately found a bootleg World Series jersey. It actually is pretty clean until you get to the chicken scratch Majestic logo. That is definitely terrible, but it's that boy Utley, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, I just got blessed with that boy Legit Fish just pulled up on me. What? This man always sends me pictures of used hair weave, but never cops it for me, unfortunately, because I'm trying to look like him with the extendo locks. Damn, bro, that's love. I love seeing my people out here, man. Guys, I just found something, man. Not my president, bro. You got the
this
Donald.
Is from the mountain?
Yeah, you got the Donald Trump straight up mountain merch on his promotional tank.
This made?
This dude got a sniper rifle, just millions flying of his dad's money. It says you're fired on the freaking tank, on the turret. That is so hard. And of course the Eagle is blasting. Yeah, I'm keeping this in the vault for a minute, probably like 20 plus years. That's what I do with all the political shit, man. I keep that shit on ice in the vault. But yeah, that shirt is hilarious. Dude, they got the Reebok Classics. Dude, these are in dummy clean condition. What the hell?
Dude, I hate Trump and I actually want this.
Dude, I know. I'm copping it, bro. Like,
so sad.
It is hilarious.
Look, it's got the big gulp.
Oh my god.
The amount of details this piece is.
Hell yeah.
It's got
like,
look, it's got the Rolls Royce wheels
bro,
on the tank.
Oh my, look at his belt. Jeez. Look at our president, man. Looking like a golden eagle, man. Dude. Tell me why the accessory section just came through. Yo, look at this boy head though. Boy got that big ass head.
Got that big head, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, big head on the beat. Low-key matches the fit though, dude.
It's kind of wobbly.
Drippin'.
Drippin'.
Hey man, real Talkisburg. I actually am excited about these Reebok Classics. I like love these things. They're $13 and are pure unadulterated cocaine. Tony Montana shit. So I might have to bless the homie Luke with the Reebok Classics, bro. These are just so crispy. They're not my size, but they are his size.
Think I'm a cop.
You know, cop? Bet. Big bet. All right, class. We just jumped out the gym. Got another bag full of good gloriousness. No, that store is actually kind of lacking too, bro. We gotta step this thing up.
Woo! I'm with the thrift god himself.
Oh boy.
And we are on the chase. We are on the chase for some thrift fire. We are gonna find some fire.
We're chasing that thrift tail, boy.
Chasing it.
Dude, it's like a tie-dye orgy going on right here, man.
Hella tie-dye.
Look how fun this is, dude. Hella tie-dye, dude. Hella tie-dye.
Full.
Bro, okay,
That's
man.
personal. You can't sell
Yes,
that. You
dude,
gotta
I
keep
found that heat. They got that Guess Athletic, Guess 1997 embroidered sport piece. Holy hell, this tag low-key looks a little suspicious, but dude, this thing is just so
It looks like
sick.
it's a reprint, but still,
It's
who
so
cares?
clean either way, bro.
Honestly, I don't even care if this is authentic Guess. Like, this is
Dude.
fucking hard.
$5. Thank God, dude. I was just like bitching about how there was like nothing.
I'm so jealous right now.
Bro.
You know that feeling like when you're in the thrift and like the homie finds something? I was gonna.
Yeah, I don't know that feeling because like I found it. So like, dude,
Dude, that is fire, dude.
you know we ain't hood rich. We wool rich.
baby.
You feel me? Dude, I'm just so ecstatic about this Guess piece, honestly. It's like low-key made my day. This is what makes thrifting worth it. Yo, this piece is so hard. Just pulled off the rack. You got that popcorn canister colorway polo by Ralph Lauren long sleeve. Thing is so sick, boy. 7. Holla at me. Candy cane in this thing. What's up? All right, class, man, we have walked out the store. We didn't spend too long in there, but the homie Luke pulled up. We evaluated the Guess piece a little bit more. I'm not too familiar with that tag, but the embroidery is clean, so the piece might fuck around and be authentic, you dig? So either way, man, it's just a clean piece all around. Yeah, it might be too fucking legitimate, you dig? Like, I'm trying to be humble, bro. Like, that's my problem. I'm just too humble. But anyways, we'll see if we hit any more stores. I'll probably just get back to the crib and show you guys the scores. But yeah, man, we out here. A great find. I'm blessed. Hey, man. All right, fellas. I'm back in the crib. And yes, we got a bunch of stuff in today's Shirt to the Thrift video. I do believe these are all the items from today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into them. Now you guys know that if y'all want any items, thriftheavenvintage.com is my website. These clothes are just falling all over the place. The first store in review, you guys already know. Got the Cleveland Browns piece. Got the multicolored Wilson windbreaker. Got a windbreaker that just fell down and not, oh, I am gonna pick it up. I got that foot. Got the purple, black, and gray windbreaker as well. Of course, dude, I have to say I love this jacket. The interior is crazy and the exterior is subtle, so it just has that like slight little pop, that little floussiness, if you will. And then I also have the New York Yankees jacket. Now, at the second store of the day, I came through with a few humble scoops. Of course, I had to get the President Trump tee right here. That thing is ridiculous. I'm gonna keep this on ice for a hot minute and then bring it out the vault in like 20 years. Or at least that's the plan, who knows. I got the Florida State Seminole Fluid crew neck 1993. And then I also grabbed the It's Senior Baby Dale Earnhardt Goodwrench Racing jacket. He was the 6-time Winston Cup champion. And then of course, probably one of my favorite pieces of the day has to be the Knights of the Round Table shit. Now, if people really start reselling this, it is because of me. I honestly just fuck with a vertical stripe, so yeah, you dig. Now, probably the top find, actually these are, yeah, probably number 1 and 2. Number 1, of course, is the Guess Athletic crew neck 1997 all embroidered. The embroidery is so like crispy and clean that this piece definitely does have to be authentic, I do believe. And then you have the Ralphie Laurenis little polo. Now at the last store that I went to, I grabbed some items. I grabbed this little Houston Pocket Rockets hat for my Elmo, my Cause Elmo collab, and I do not know where the hell I put that package. I've been leaving my car unlocked a lot too, so might have just got yoinked. I got the Einstein tee right here. I just love these simple graphics, like especially if you want to layer something, just having Einstein stunting with the shades is definitely a look. I have the black Sabbath tee as well. This is a really dope color scheme, Kris Kringle colorway. Usually you don't see like green and red looking populacious together. That's a word now. And then last and not least, I got the Nike windbreaker. This piece definitely is hard on the boulevard. Why is it unzipped? I don't know, but there you go. So again, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I was thinking of doing a video every day of December, but I think I might do like the 12 days of Christmas, or just as many videos in December as I can. If I'm trying to drop a video a day, I honestly might be stressed the fuck out. So I'm just gonna be dropping a lot of content, so keep it locked on the channel, turn on notifications, and subscribe if you guys are not already. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Big shout out to the homie Jacob, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out. I love y'all, man. Woo! Bye!
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.